If you want to hide photos and videos on your Samsung Galaxy A56, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, we need to open up our Play Store or Galaxy Store. Doesn't really matter. Now let's press search and let's install Google Files. Most Android phones have this pre-installed. If your Samsung has this pre-installed, then great. Simply open it up, but most of them don't have it. So let's install it first. Now, as it is installed, let's open it up and let's give all the necessary permissions. So give all the necessary permissions, great. Now locate your save folder, that's what we need. Let's tap here and let's create a pin or set up a pattern. I will go with the pin. Press next, confirm your pin, next. Remember it, because otherwise your safe storage won't be opened. Press got it. So now you can move anything to here. So let's search for any kind of file. For example, this file, tap on those three dots and press move to save folder. Confirm your choice by entering your pin. Now, if we're gonna open up our Google Files, and as you see, we are not able to locate this file anywhere else. So let's open up our safe storage, and there it is. Now we can find it, and you can move basically any file here, not only photos and videos, but also music, maybe some APKs, and all kind of files. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.